I do my Dandavat Pranam to all the Vaishnavas and who are the listeners of Hari Katha. So I do my Dandavat Pranam to all the lotus feet of all the devotees. So like today is a very happy day, and please let me know my voice is coming okay or not. Please write the comment if my voice is coming okay. So few days back, like I came on this place on the Gaur Purnima. Thank you. Like Mahaprabhu ordered that like everyone should preach my name in every town, in every house. Like all the towns in on the earth and all the house, like you should preach everywhere should preach my name. The Mahaprabhu has ordered. So the Brahma Durlabha Prem Sabakare Yache, like all the big demigods, like even hankering for such prem, and the Mahaprabhu is distributing such prem. Like the prem of the Vrindavan, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, like are distributing this prem. Like the Kali Yuga have full of the faults. Like the inner Kali Yuga is full of faults, just like the Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, like everyone is suffering by it. Like they are not able to do the Naam because it is very difficult to take the name of the Lord. So that's why the God, so that's why he is going to the everyone house and asking for the alms. Like you should surrender to me. Like only take my shelter. So that's why saying the Atma Nivedan Tua Pade Kari. So here, like the Mahaprabhu is Mahaprabhu saying, like everyone should take my shelter. So the Bhaktivinoda writing this kirtan. Who is this Saptam Goswami? He is telling in his kirtan, Atma Nivedan, like one who surrender to the lotus feet of the Gurudev and Krishna. Like if you are able to do the surrender at the lotus feet of the Guru and the Vaishnavas and Krishna, then your life will be successful. So like every time you will be in a happiness. So and you will. So here also like telling the story of the Atma Nivedan. So the first step of the Atma Nivedan is you have to take the shelter of the Guru world first. Even the God himself telling about the Atma Nivedan, like he is telling in a Mahabharata to Arjun, in a Bhagavad Gita, Sarva Dharman Paritajya Mamikev Sharanam Vraja Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayami Ma Shucha. So the Krishna himself telling to the Arjun about the Atma Nivedan, like you should give up all kinds of the dharma. So you should take the shelter of Guru and a Bhagwan. So the Krishna even giving the teaching of surrenderness. So like it is the topmost shloka of the Bhagavad Gita. Like every dharma which is like popular in this planet, so you should give up all kind of the dharma and take the shelter of the Guru and a Lord. So like in the Bhagavad Gita, this philosophy has been given. By this only you are able to enter in the Bhakti Marga. So by this, like the purpose of it is to be get together, like we should preach the Vani of a Roop Raghunath. When we will preach the Roop Raghunath Vani, this is only our aim and objective. Like why we are gathering on a one place, because we want to preach the Vani of a Roop Raghunath. So the Narottam Das Thakur is saying, Roop Raghunath Pade Rakho Mor Ash Pratna Kare Sada Narottam Das. So the Narottam Das is praying for the shelter of Roop Raghunath. So like the whatever the philosophy and the teachings is given by the Roop Raghunath, I am also desiring for the same philosophy, same kind of way of thinking I should get as the Roop Raghunath has having. So this is like a objective of preaching. So like all the previous acharya, whatever the philosophy they has given, whatever the adarsh they has provided, whatever the example they has set, so we have to go on the same path as our previous acharya has been shown to us. Like the Mahajan, like who has shown us the path, we should always walk on the same path. So on the same path we have to walk, which path has been shown by our Mahajan and Acharya Vargas. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Shri Rupa Sanatan Bhadu Raghunath Shri Jiva Gopal Bhatt Das Raghunath Eich hai Gosai Kari Charana Vandan Jaha Hoite Vignanash Abhishta Puran Eich hai Gosai Jar Moitar Das Tasavara Padarenu Mora Panchagras. Like all this philosophy has given by our Gurus, Vargas and Acharyas. I will not take much time. So we will listen from the Maharaj also and will bless us by his Harikatha. So today I came here. I have a flight today. So we just came here. Now all became tired after like so much traveling. So now the Gurudev is just so much tired. He is resting his Harikatha here only. Vancha kalpatrubhascha kripa sindhu bhayavicha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Shila Gurudev ki jai.